Alright, so today we're going to review the product and quotient rule. And for the product rule, you have to multiply u by the derivative of v, and then you add it to the derivative of u times v. And then for the quotient rule, you have to do v times the derivative of u minus u times the derivative of v, all divided by v squared. Okay, so for our examples, we have y equals 4x times the quantity 2x squared plus 1. For this, our u is 4x and the v is 2x squared plus 1. The derivative of u is 4 and the derivative of v is 4x. So then you just use the rule and you do 4x times 4x plus 4 times the quantity 2x squared plus 1. And then you just clean it up by multiplying 4x times 4x, so you get 16x squared, and then you distribute the 4 and you get 8x squared plus 4, and then your final answer should be y prime equals 24x squared plus 4. And then for the example of the quotient rule, we have y equals x squared divided by 4x. X squared is u and 4x is v, so derivative of u is 2x and the derivative of v is 4. And again, you just use the rule, so you have 4x times 2x minus 4x squared times 4, all divided by 4x, quantity 4x squared. And then you just clean it up by doing 4x times 2x, so you get 8x squared minus 4x squared, all divided by 16x squared. And then you should end up with 4x squared divided by 16x squared. The x squareds cancel, and you can clean it up so it equals 1/4. And then for our last example, we have one with trig. We have y equals sine of x times cosine of x. So our u is sine of x and our v is cosine of x. The derivative of sine of x is cosine of x, and the derivative of cosine is negative sine of x. So then again, you just use the rule, so you get sine of x times negative sine of x plus cosine of x times cosine of x, and cleaned up it's just negative sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x.